Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is cleaning motivation as well as a grocery haul from Kroger, and I'm also including what I got at Sam's Club, but I really don't know if it's a haul because I only bought 2 things. But anyways, I'm going to include that and give you a lot of cleaning motivation, so stick around if you would like to see it, and also hit the like button if you enjoy this video. It really does help my channel out so much. Also, comment down below and tell me if you are new to my channel. I'd love to say hi and connect with you, and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any future content. Now let's get into today's video.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right.
I'm cleaning up after we had dinner and just wiping the table off and putting the table runner back on it, as well as putting some leftovers away, doing dishes, and cleaning the countertops. But first, I'm going to show you how I clean my stovetop. The only thing I didn't do here is get the razor out to get the stuck on hard food that's been cooked on, but I just went ahead and did some scrubbing on it and then wiped all of that off.
Somehow you make me change, like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds, where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change, like I'm better off with you.
So even though I feel like I clean the stove pretty well and scrub it pretty well, it still has some stuff on it and I can't get it off. So I don't know if it's just like scratches or what, but comment down below what all you use to clean your glass stovetop.
Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change.
Now I have tons of dishes to wash and we still don't have a dishwasher, so I'm washing and drying all of these by hand and putting them away. So I hope this gives you some great cleaning motivation. So let me know down below if you're cleaning along with me.
You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
So here are the only two things I got at Sam's this time around. I got a watermelon. It was $7. And these Pure Protein or Premier Protein drinks. And I got those for 21 or 22, but then I had my Sam's money, the cash back that you earn when you have the, I can't remember, but it's like the higher up membership. And so I earned like $14, $15, and so I got all of this for $13. This stuff is part of my Kroger haul. I got cream and chicken soup for the boys and some black olives, light coconut milk, and Jason picked out these ranch style beans. He got two different kinds. I wonder if he knows that. He picked out these peanuts and almonds. Some of them were on sale. I don't remember which ones were, or clearance rather. And then all of these were on the clearance aisle. And we picked all of those up also. This is the haul from Kroger. So on this side, I picked up these cinnamon Cheerios, and these are the boys' favorite right now. I also got the goldfish because they were on the deal where you buy 5 items and save $5 or something like that. I can't really remember what it's called. And this brand bread was also on it, which is why we got this. We don't normally buy that brand, but it's for the boys' sandwiches. This was a digital coupon, so it was only 99 cents, and Jack wanted a snack while we were there, so we got that. Everybody likes these granola bars by Sunbelt, and these are the chocolate chip. Some crackers, a few things of dressing, salad dressing. And the boys like the green apples, and then Jason picked out some more. I'm not quite sure which ones these are. Honey Crisp, I think. I got some more dark chocolate for like energy balls and healthier sweet snacks. Some more bread and butter pickles, and 2 different kinds of mustards. Also got the boys these chips. We were out of coconut oil spray. That's the kind I use. And we got these for salads, and the boys eat these up, so I got 2. And back here, I got 2 bags of chips. And then these were also on the buy 5, and the boys really like these, so I get them once in a while for a treat. And then all of this stuff I got on sale. So these almonds were only $1 something. The same with the walnuts. And I really like this brand by Pamela. It's healthier alternatives to like pancakes and stuff. And this one is the Cornbread and Muffin mix. And I'm not sure how healthy these are, but I wanted to try them. They're protein muffin mixes, and they actually have a can of blueberries, so they're supposed to be real whole blueberries, I suppose. But this was also on clearance. The boys really love this kind of mac and cheese, and they had it reduced to 79 because it's smashed a little bit. But I had 2 of these in the cart already for full price, so I saw this and exchanged it out. And then these were also reduced because they're bent, so I bought all of those that they had, which is 3. This one's like hardly even bent. So if you go down Kroger's aisles of reduced items, you'll find stuff like that. And oh, also these were half off. Regularly $6.29. I got it for $3.19, and it's as you can see, it's just bent here, and I'll show you that. It's like nothing is really wrong with them. There might be like one bag that's crumbly, but for the most part, I mean, they're fine. So those will be good because Aiden's wanting to take his lunch some next week, and normally he eats in the lunchroom. I already put up the cold stuff that we got, but we picked up some spinach, tons of eggs. I'm not even going to get those out. And then I've been eating the boar's head turkey breast. So this is Cajun, and I got the new smoked one. Jason picked up some crab. And then these have already been opened, but the cheese sticks, the boys love those. And more ham and cheese, asparagus, zucchini. These, I wanted to show you, these are on the Buy 5. They are the Kroger yogurt tubes. So I already put the cold stuff up. And we also got stuff that's already in the freezer. I bought a thing of Hot Pockets. That might be the only thing that I bought that's in the freezer. And I'm holding this terribly because I'm holding the tripod and not my handheld, whatever it's called. But I also got some chicken and sausages. Some salad kits were on sale, so I got those. And some carrots. So that was the haul, and I might share with y'all our recipe. Well, I don't think we much have a recipe for tonight, so. But anyways, that is the Kroger haul.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please leave it a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And also hit the subscribe button now so you'll be subscribed to my channel and know all about my upcoming content. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!